So Asus just teased their next upcoming Asus ROG Phone 8. Yeah, Asus is launching their ROG Phone 8, the next in the lineup, in early 2024. And Asus has already teased the first official look of the phone from rear side. As you can see here, we get to see a whole new camera design. I would say the new rear design of the phone. As we have seen the previous phone from ROG series, they were totally different from this one. Let's take a look at the ROG Phone 7 or 6. They had this gaming style of rear design, RGB lights and glowing logos and all that stuff. But this time ROG is going totally clean here. We have this pentagon shaped camera module this time, which includes 3 of total cameras at the back side and a LED flashlight. The camera module seems to have much higher bump than normal phones, which isn't really a good idea, I guess, where other brands are now trying to make their rear sides also flat, just like the Red Magic's newly launched phone. And it can be seen in this teaser that phone still has that secondary USB Type-C port on this side of the phone for ease of gamers. There is Asus logo on rear side and some text saying established 2006 on the top right side. Asus ROG Phone 8 is expected to have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 24GB of RAM along with 65 watts of fast charging. There will be total of 2 phones in this series, Asus Phone 8 and 8 Pro. That's all for the Asus ROG Phone 8. Make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.